So we're cleaning out the barn. We got new piglets coming, and we wanted to change around the barnyard a little bit. So we rented a MT100 from our local Bobcat dealer. We had one of these borrowed from a friend last year and it worked really well. We normally have the Toro Dingo, but we've had better luck and success with the Bobcat MT100 or the MT series, which I really like. What I like about it is that, and Wyatt likes about it too, is the controls are a little different. Joystick. And we're going to go over that. But we also cleaned up the area of the barnyard. We got the old poop pile moved up, flipped over. And while we have the MT this weekend, we'll finish cleaning everything up. There's the cows in the back field making their lap. I think calves are with them too. We'll get this all cleaned up, and we'll get the outlets cleaned up. And there's a pile of trusses in there we got to get out, and then just clean up that little barnyard area. Because I think this winter we're just going to fence off this little piece, and then they just stay right here in this upper barnyard area. And I think we're just going to fill this in as much as we can with stone and fill, and then just keep the cows up here. And then, because we're going to build a run-in shed on skids, and then we can move the run-in shed up here, keep it up here, and they can just stay up here. We still have the big pile over there that we got to get rid of, and see the bin. And we're working on right now new enclosed, well, coverall building that one of our Amish neighbors has on his property. We're working on with him to buy that and then build it over here. So we're going to take down this pile, finish off that parking lot, we move the fence, then we'd move the fence this way. So some more stuff here. Again, cows aren't the main product here, but we still like having cows for our own meat, and our customers enjoy the hamburger and the steaks and stuff. So we have the room, we have the land, we have the means, so we're going to continue raising cows. I don't think we'll get a super huge herd, but I still think we'll stick with the small herd, you know, staying under that 10 cow number, but we do well with it. So we'll bring you updates as we go along here. Thanks for tuning in, of course, as always. Like it, share it, tell your friends. Stop by the farm even. Stop by, say hello. We've had angels are bowling. We've had YouTube viewers stop by, say hi at the farm. We'll be at the Empire Farm Show, Empire Farm Days, coming up outside of Syracuse in August. Then we'll be in Canandaigua for the steam pageant. So if you see us out there, stop by, say hi, and we'll keep bringing you videos. What's going on here at the farm? Coming down in sheets now. Had to stop. Let's get the alleyway scraped out. Where's the cows, Chief?
Down there.
They're getting a bath. Everybody's gonna be nosy. So we're getting the pig pen cleaned out. What's nice is we bed with sawdust from the Amish, so it makes it a little easier. We'll get this all cleaned out. A little bit of water from yesterday. nice material we'll have out there, and we'll be able to next week spread it out in the field. We're reclaiming and trying to rehash one of our garden fields, our veggie fields. So about finished with the clean out of the barn. Goats are outside, cows are outside. Good sized pile that we'll move, and not a lot of hay in it, which is nice. So we'll get this moved with the big tractor off to a spot where we've been redoing the ground. Cleaned up over here as well, made some room. Gotta get them trusses out of there for the run-in shed. And then talking about doing some fence projects. I'll show you what we did inside. We got it cleaned up pretty good. Got the alleyway cleaned up. The old pig pen, we're throwing some sand in there that we got. And we'll get that cleaned up. Cows will give a spot for the big storm coming. We got some big weather coming. So we got the machine for one more day, so we're trying to get cleaned up. And then we'll get the paddock all put back together, and we'll be good to go. Look at that, already turning up the sand. What are you doing? No, you gotta go back that way. You gotta go back that way. Oh, you gotta go back that way. They're not happy. I mean, they're kind of happy. Goats, are you happy? Sort of happy. You ladies want to ride? After some rain today, cows are enjoying the pasture. See, one of the calves bedded down, the other one's still eating. Another batch of chickens over here. So the barn's cleaned out. Machine went back today. We did some work in the greenhouses. We'll have to bring you some more of that. We finished cultivating everything along the rows. When we get that major rain earlier this week, some of you saw some flash flooding in the New York area. We got hit with it quick on Friday. We got a pretty good downpour. That was the start of the rains that come this past weekend. A little bit of water in the barn. I should say more than a little water, about 8-10 inches. No damage. Lost a bunch of cardboard boxes, but nothing to the animals and stuff like that. Just dirty floor now. We just got to clean it up. And we noticed we lost a little bit of dirt, soil, a little bit of runoff. Got a little soupy at the end of the rows, so we made sure that we rototilled everything so it was nice and soft for the rain to go in. So hopefully that helped keep some moisture under the plastic and help all the veggies really to thrive. And we're back on everyday watering now in the greenhouse with a little bit of fertilizer to help everything really grow. Tomatoes, we worked the tomatoes today. We're going to probably work them again tomorrow for a little bit. They're starting to get a little bushy and out of hand. So but we're picking tomatoes, we're picking peppers, we're picking zucchinis. We had our first round of broccolis. We did cauliflower. I'm not having much success. If you do cauliflower, send us a message. I think that's going to have to become an indoor crop for this farm. It just, every time I grow cauliflower, it seems like it gets wrecked. I got some mold spots on some of the cheddar cauliflower and some of the white, but we'll get a trip and a video down through the rows and stuff. And hope you enjoy it. Comment, share, like. Check our Facebook page out. Stop by and visit July 30th. It's a Sunday, the end of this month. We're inviting everybody to join the Farm to Table Tour. Look at it, look up it on the Facebook, Farm to Table Tour. We link it on our Facebook page as well, Toluki Family Farms. A visit to all the local family farms like us, veggies or whatever else they do, meats and stuff in the Fulton and Montgomery, New York area. It's a great time. We do samples all day. We got great activities, hands-on, the animals, the goats, the cows. We bring everything up. Barn tour. We probably won't do barn tours this year because we're doing some changes in the barn. But, yeah, July 30th, right here on the farm. So check that out on our Facebook page. So, for now, we're going to do some maintenance on the truck. And it's a little wet, so we got a couple little things we're going to tune up after dinner. So, we'll see you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.